Hello, today we will guide you through how to contact Wizz Air customer service. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on their site to reach the right support option for your situation. Start by opening your web browser and going to wizzair.com. You should land on the main homepage where you can see flight search and promotions. For the contact options, we won't stay at the top. Instead, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page to the footer area. If a cookie notice or pop-up appears, close it so you can see the links more clearly. In the footer, look for a section labeled Help Center. This is where Wizz Air Group's answers to common questions and pathways to get in touch. Click Help Center to open that dedicated support area. Once the Help Center loads, you'll find helpful topics and articles, often with a search bar. These can be useful if you want quick answers, but we're focusing on direct contact. Locate the Contact Us option on this page and select it. The Contact Us page is where you choose how you want to reach customer service. The exact choices can vary by country, but you'll typically see options such as a phone line, a chat tool, or an online contact form. Pick the method that best matches your need and urgency. For time-sensitive travel issues, a real-time channel like phone or live chat is usually the fastest. Before you start the conversation, have your booking reference, travel dates, and passenger details at hand so the agent can find your trip quickly. Keep a pen and paper or notes app ready to record any case numbers or instructions. If you use a form, write concisely and include the essential details so the team can respond efficiently. If you call, be aware that waiting times and call charges can depend on your location and provider. After you've chosen your contact method, follow the on-screen prompts to connect and stay on the page until you confirm the request has been sent or the chat or call is fully established. If you receive a confirmation by email, save it. It's also a good idea to check your spam or junk folder in case the reply lands there. That's it. You've navigated from the Wizz Air homepage to the Help Center and into Contact Us, and you're ready to reach customer service using the option that suits you best.